that was My Heritage, Spatula, of course. And these songs are taken from Guy Picardo's collection, with translations by Guy and by Vera Rich, who is well known to the Jerusalem community, and her heart is buried in this church. Now, Dear Fields of Home, Moira Rodney Court.
Fields of home, how I regret you. I have no strength there to forget you. How oft upon that traverse weary of mine, I springtime harsh and dreary. In thoughts my soul went swiftly winging to find their solace ever springing, to find their solace ever springing. Once more I see that spot before me, its beauty like a dream slips on me. See where the brook its course is tracing, the spruce and fir tree interlacing, like lovers seeking consolation on the sad eve of separation, on the sad eve of separation. How dear to me those native acres, when Yeoman gleams with gentle breakers, and oak trees from their verdant bowers lean o'er his banks like lofty towers. Dear fields of home, how I regret you. I have no strength